In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the version of Google Chrome you're using and ensure that it's updated to the latest version. It's important to keep your browser up to date to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements that Chrome has to offer. This process is quick and simple, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure that you have it up and running before we proceed. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu, and it gives you access to Chrome's various settings and options. Click on the More menu to open up a drop-down list. Here, you'll see several options, but the one you're interested in is Help. Hover your cursor over Help to reveal another menu. From this new list, click on About Google Chrome. This will take you to a page that's specifically dedicated to information about your current browser version and any updates that may be available. Once you're on the About Google Chrome page, you'll immediately see the current version of Chrome that you're using. This is handy to know, especially if you're troubleshooting issues or need to verify compatibility with certain websites or extensions. More importantly, Chrome will automatically check for updates the moment you open this page. If there's a new version available, Google Chrome will begin downloading it right away. You don't need to click anything or follow any complicated steps. Just wait for the download to complete. Depending on your internet connection speed, this can take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download is finished, you'll see a prompt asking you to restart Chrome. Click on Restart to apply the update. After Chrome restarts, it's a good idea to head back to the About Google Chrome page just to ensure that the update was successful. You should see a message indicating that Chrome is up to date, along with the new version number. Knowing this, you're all set with the latest features and security updates. It's worth noting that keeping Chrome updated is not just about having the latest features. Updates often include important security patches that protect you against viruses and hackers. By following these simple steps regularly, you can keep your browsing experience smooth, secure, and optimized. And there you have it. You've successfully checked and updated your Google Chrome browser. Make it a habit to check for updates every so often to ensure you're always running the latest version. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Have a great day.